Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Forer from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for April 25th, 2017. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. We saw another strong rally today, and it was fueled by earnings. We'll talk about that in a minute, but let's look at these index charts. The Dow finished higher by 232 points today, another strong gap heading towards those highs. You can see that moving average turning around, starting to gain momentum in that direction. The S&P 500 was up 14 points today, while the Nasdaq was up 41, hitting a fresh new high, and the Russell futures were up another 13 points, also hitting a fresh new high here. Bonds lower by $1.48 today, is now below that 20-period moving average. We'll see if we can bounce here anytime soon. If not, we could be headed for a test of these lows, but we'll see in the days ahead. There's a lot going on over the next couple of trading sessions. Gold at the close today, the futures were down 10 points, but did bounce and is sitting right at that 20-period moving average, while crude finished the day higher by 33 cents. Now, earnings, huge move this morning based on the number of big names, biggest being Caterpillar. Look at this move higher by Caterpillar. They came out with earnings and came out with $1.28 per share compared to an expected 62 cents per share. So more than doubled, and boy, was the stock rewarded. Massive gap here. We'll probably see a continuation of that move. Now, after hours, we got a report out from CMG, from Chipotle. They came in at $1.60 versus an expected number of 127. So another huge beat. And, has this stock finally turned the corner? I mean, the daily chart's very choppy, but recently has been trending nicely to the upside. We should see a gap higher here tomorrow based on that earnings report. If you look at the weekly now, it gets very interesting. Not only is it putting in a nice rounded base, but if we zoom in here a little and have a look at the basics, we have now put in, not only have we put in a higher low, but now we've busted through these highs and we've put in a higher high. So it looks like on the weekly chart that we have turned that corner, and if we get a nice gap tomorrow, that'll continue this move higher here. We should see higher prices in CMG in the days ahead. Now, also another news item that can fuel stocks once again is tomorrow's announcement from the White House. Donald Trump will be revealing his tax reform plan. So that should be interesting, and that could be the next thing that takes stocks to the next level. And remember, we're looking for new highs in the Dow and the S&P, and we are very, very close. If you look at these weekly charts here, looks very likely, but we'll keep an eye on the news and report back tomorrow. That's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on our next update.